Today is day 3 of this winter storm that has hit Nashville. And as of yesterday, there was 288,000 people without power. Oh my gosh, no. It just started snowing again. The roads are still really dangerous, but I'm still going to attempt to make it to my trip to Africa. Today I'm gonna check in on all the animals, pack a bag, try to make it to the airport. This is day 3 of the snowstorm on Tab's farm. You need to go potty? Can you go outside? Okay, sit. Wait. Wait. Yes.
Don't be fooled by the whispers of the winds.
Just kidding, my Africa flight is canceled. Let's go check on the animals. Yesterday was raining so much that the alpaca pen ended up flooding. The alpacas were laying on the ground and Carrots' jacket got all wet. So I washed and dried his jacket and I'm gonna go try and put this on him. Come on. Do you wanna come outside?
Everyone seems a damn genius.
Okay, more grubs for the chickens this morning. Sorry, big door's not working today. He's probably so confused right now. He likes to pretend he's gonna be nice. Lucy.
Life could be a dream if I can take you up to paradise above. If you would tell me.
I'm gonna close this top in hopes that they can like duck under it to get in and out, but I feel like it'll block it from the wind and the rain. Can you come out? Come on. Yep. Okay, nice. Come on. Nice. I've never smelled worse in my life. Dirty. I'm gonna go take a shower, give Lucy a bath. Go take a shower, huh?